Along with carbon dioxide concentration and temperature, light intensity affects the chemical reaction rate of blank. As light intensity increases, so does the rate at which the reactants, water and carbon dioxide, are converted into their products, glucose and oxygen. Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? A. Photosynthesis and B. Photosynthesis, comma, C. Photosynthesis, colon, D. Photosynthesis.
Question number 25, we are talking about photosynthesis and how, along with carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, light intensity, all that affects the chemical reaction rate of photosynthesis. And out of these, which should we choose? Blank. As light intensity increases, so does the rate at which the reactants, that is the water and carbon dioxide, are converted into their products. So how this photosynthesis uses carbon dioxide, temperature and light, and then how the reactants, that is water and carbon dioxide, along with that, and then the products are generated, glucose and oxygen. This is what is generated. So which word should we use? So if you said C, photosynthesis with the colon, that is the best answer. So what is the convention being tested? The convention being tested is the use of punctuation in a sentence. So in this choice, a colon is correctly used to mark the boundary between one main clause. So there is one main clause, that is along with photosynthesis. So reaction rate of, definitely we have to fill photosynthesis here because we are describing photosynthesis. And this is the first main clause from along till photosynthesis. And after that, the other main clause is starting from as light and goes all the way till oxygen, the other part. So we need the colon over here between these two main clauses to introduce the following explanation of how light intensity affects photosynthesis. So this part, as light intensity increases, so does the rate at which reactants are converted into their products. This is giving the explanation. So we need a colon before that. So this is the convention being tested, is the use of punctuation in the sentence. So if we have to revise about when colons are used, so colons are also used when we introduce lists, series, quotations and even explanations. So John wrote, colon, I wish you a Merry Christmas. Or he was going to buy 3 things, colon, chase table. So there a list or series of items. And even when we separate independent clauses, they will not make it colon, the storm is too strong. And when we show emphasis or we separate units of time, these are the situations when we use a colon. So similarly, even in our sentence,
Choice A is incorrect because when coordinating 2 longer main clauses such as these, it's conventional to use a comma before the coordinating conjunction and. Choice B is incorrect because it results in a comma splice. Without a coordinating conjunction following it, a comma can't be used in this way to join 2 main clauses. Along with water and carbon dioxide and, as light reaches plants, it produces and releases oxygen. Choice D is incorrect because it results in a run-on sentence. The 2 main clauses, along with water and carbon dioxide, and, as light reaches plants, it produces and releases oxygen, are fused without punctuation and/or a conjunction.